You see Mommy spying on you? I'm spying on you. Look at, oh my gosh, look at, he just did it. He just stood up in his crib. And he's very pleased. He's very pleased with himself. Henry, you seemed very tired at the park. I thought you needed a micro nap. Look at you. Look at you, big boy. All right, I'll come get you. I'll come get you.